Hi, my name is JJ Sutherland. It's really an exciting day here at Scrum Inc. And it's the day that I have a box of our next book. First time ever, which is really kind of a cool feeling. So the 5 years since our last book was published, Scrum, The Art of Doing Twice the Work in Half the Time, Scrum has exploded. It's everywhere. And we have case studies in here from rocket ships, banks, fighter planes, restaurants, flipping houses, all sorts of these amazing stories and case studies of how to do Scrum. And I give you the patterns, I give you exactly how we do it. And so this captures years of experience, and it's taken a while to write. Writing a book takes a while. It took me about a year and a half. So I get to see it for the first time. All right. The Scrum Fieldbook, masterclass on accelerating performance, getting results, and defining the future. This is pretty cool. It's amazing to see your work made visible, isn't it? So it comes out in October, but you can pre-order it now, and I can't wait for you to read it.